Welcome back. In this session, we will be discussing about CLN details, how to enter CLN details. Again, I have been logged in Kundapur division only as Kundapur division. I have come to CLNs. In the main menu, we will have to go to FCA projects, and then in FCA 1980 projects, we will have to go to CLN details. In that, if we bring the cursor on CLNs, we will be viewing the drop down of all these details. Come to add CLN details. Again, all the FCA projects will be enlisted. We will have to select which FCA projects we are going to add the CLN details. We'll have to click on the CLN. Let us click on this, go to this, so the particular page will be open. Okay, over here CLN for the CLN for 3.60 diverted land. These many CLNs 3.6, 3.63 and 7.26 lands have been got for compensatory forestation. I'll just check it out. Edit, go to edit button, and then over here they have entered all the details. Kundapur division details, the land type they have entered, is all these things will be fetched automatically through the FCA project which has been registered in FCA projects. This land type they will have to select. They have selected for revenue land, non-forest land from the drop down, and the category of CA land, either whether it is a CA, ACA, PCA or something, safety zone and so on. Then the district, now here we will be dealing with the district, tehsil, and the tehsil in the sense taluk, the survey number details. Also all these things will have to write, and survey status, whether it is survey status is yes or no, that will have to enter. Then notification status, whether it is been notified or not, or is still under process, that will have to enter. And then again to circle, division and range mapping we will have to do. And then the site name, compartment details we will have to write, location details we will have to write, particularly it should be clear. And then the shape of the land received for CA, that we will have to select. Then the area received for CA land, that we will have to enter. Then upload GPS, if we have the KML files, we'll have to browse and enter, and we will have to enter the scanned map of the CA land, and then update. Or if we are doing it for the registering it for the first time, we will have to save it. So even over here we have not uploaded the CL and details of this maps as well as the polygons, that has to be uploaded. Coming to this page and then update it. Okay, then again for CLN details we have the statistics of CLN, wherein this page will allows us to upload all the GPS polygons as well as the scan map in one stretch. For all these projects, all the GPS readings can be uploaded in one stretch. GPS readings, or if we have the GPS readings, or if we have the KML files, or if we have the scanned map, we can come to this page and then upload it. Then again for here we have the FSI remarks for this also for CA lands. Please go through it and then find if there is any plant. Again they have in this remarks, they have plantation pattern is visible, but the plantation is not matching with the ground features. That has to be seen and then updated. If it is not correct, it has to be updated, or it has to be replaced. Now this finishes with FCA projects. We will end this session, and in the other session we will be dealing with other modules. Thank you.